What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you the fastest and easiest way to list a sports card onto your eBay account. Despite being the fastest method, this method also autofills the information for you so that whoever searches it can easily get your card up, and your card's going to be one of the first cards to show if the algorithm is right. So obviously the first step to do this, usually I just have some cards in bulk that I just photograph, and I just photograph the front and the back real quick for my eBay listing. And then what you're going to do is you're going to actually search the name of the player that you have on your sports card. And then there's like the little number on the back that identifies the card in the set. You're just going to search their name and then search the number that's on the back. And then you can see on eBay pretty quickly it's going to show up with a bunch of listings of this same exact card. This is also a great way to see what kind of price you want to price your card exactly and see what exactly this card is worth. And you could go over and see the sold listings and see that to see what it's worth. Once you click on the card itself, though, you're actually just going to click on a random card that is listed here, preferably sold because you know what actually sells. And then if you scroll all the way down, there is an option where you could see where it says sell one like this, and that's going to bring you to this menu here where you could just add your photos that you took of the card earlier. And then you could see that the title is already added, and then you could see under item specifics that all that information is already filled out for you, and whoever wants to search the filters and search for the exact card that they're looking for, they could easily be able to just search it with the filters and your card will come up. For the item description, I always just have a little bit of a blurb descripted for my sports cards, just so the buyer knows exactly what they're getting. It just says how it's going to be shipped, and if they want additional shipping, they can contact me before and we could arrange a different price for the different shipping that they want. I just have that description on all my cards so there isn't any confusion on how it's shipped. And then you could just go about your business for this card. If you want to make it an auction, I usually just do buy it now, so I'm just going to make it into a buy it now. And this card is really only worth $1, so I'm just going to make it $1 price. And then for the shipping, I just have a default $1.50 shipping charge on all my cards. It really just makes it worth it because you're paying for the top loader, the shipping equipment, and the shipping itself. It ends up being $1, and then I use the 50 cents extra for the handling fees, especially on a $1 card. And then I just went ahead and saved that card to my drafts because I don't want to post it right now, as I already posted my listings for the day. If you had any questions about this method and listing the cards, or any questions about eBay in general, don't hesitate to drop them down below in the comments, and I will get back to you as soon as possible and spread my knowledge. Other than that, though, if you found this tutorial helpful today, be sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.